Okay, students, we are moving on to the last heading of the chapter, and I'm sure you might not be having any confusion, or if at all you are having any confusion, please do give me a call. Now, again, as I said it earlier, once again, I'm giving you a reminder that this chapter will be coming for 7 marks. How these 7 marks are divided, that is 1 plus 1 plus 5. So again, we are moving on to the last heading, that is elements or components of planning. We need to keep in mind just few sentences. No need to keep in mind the entire things which are all the 7 points. Okay, just the meaning we are interested for. After completing the different types of plan, last heading, that is elements or components. Now in that, the first heading, that is considered as what? Objectives. We all know objectives. We all know what is objectives, that is the aim. How to achieve the objectives, that is a different thing, but what is our objective, that is the main task. I am ready. The purpose of every business is to determine and fulfill objectives. While determining objectives, all factors affecting business are to be considered. Objectives must be pragmatic, it should not be over ambitious. What does this mean? That while deciding any objectives, you need to keep in mind which are the factors affecting business. And you need to also keep in mind that your targets, that is your objectives, must be what? Pragmatic. Pragmatic means what? Easily achievable. Moving on to the second heading, that is considered as what? Strategy. Strategy means what? Contrivance. Contrivance, now student, this is a new word for you. Contrivance means what? It's an efforts. Efforts done for achieving objectives. That is considered as what? Strategy. I am reading. Contrivance used for the accomplishment of pre-decided objectives of planning is known as what? Strategy. It makes the business unit capable enough to face what? Competition. Strategy is very useful. It can be asked in form of MCQ to face competition. It makes the business unit capable enough to face the competition or to survive against other factors. Strategy is used in the field like army and sports. Mark it out again as an MCQ. Strategy should be kept confidential from the competitors. An ideal strategy gives the guarantee of the success. So strategy here you need to keep in mind contrivance for achieving what? Predetermined objectives. Very useful against competition. It must be hidden or it must not be shown to your competitors, right? Then moving on to policy. Policy means what? Decision plus strategy. What is strategy? That is efforts. Now policy means what? Efforts plus decision. That becomes what? Policy. Decision and strategies are decided by management for accomplishment of objectives, and that is known as what? Policy. Once again, what is policy? Decision plus strategy. And what is strategy? That is efforts. So we can say policy means what? Decision plus efforts. Then further, policy creates distinct image of the business units. It gives an idea of efficiency and working style of the business unit. Like an objective, policy should be always what? Pragmatic. Moving on to the next heading, that is method. Without discussing what is there in the textbook, I would like to explain you from here itself. Before discussing method, what is strategy? Strategy means what? Efforts to achieve objective, which is very much helpful for what? Competition. What is policy? Policy means what? Different ways of achieving objectives, right? There might be one definitely objectives, but there might be different ways of what? Achieving objectives. That is called policy. And what is called method? Method is the best way of doing a thing. Do you remember job analysis, students? It was there in chapter number 2 in Taylor's principle of management. Job analysis means what? To do the best, right? To find out the best way of doing a thing. That is considered as what? Method, in a simple language. Okay. Then moving on to the next topic, that is rules. Rules, students, you might be knowing more than me. Rules means what? Rules are necessary to accomplish the functions of business. You can easily achieve the target if there is rules and regulation. Rules decides the procedure and give the clear understanding. It ensures discipline is necessary. It ensures what? Discipline is maintained. Then further, supervision becomes easy because of what? Rules. If at all rules है, then supervision will be very easy. Then moving on to the favorite question among this, that is budget. If at all I say, students, are you aware of this word budget? You might be saying, sir, yes. Sometimes you might be saying, "Ah, budget ni bahar છે, હું આ લઈ નહીં શકું." But what is actually budget? That is the statement showing income and expenditure. What budget? Budget is used as a tool of control for the accomplishment of objectives. A tool for control of what? Business objectives. Different types of budgets are prepared. Very much necessary. A question can be asked for 1 mark. Different types of budget. कौन से? I am reading. Capital budget, sales budget, production budget cost, cash budget, etc. What is budget? Then you have to simply write it is a tool for what? For controlling accomplishment of objectives. Which are the different types of budget? The names it is already there in the textbook. You can go through it. Then further, last heading, that is called program. Programs means what? Process. The sequence which you need to follow. Program is a sequence of activities which is to be undertaken by business unit. If the work is done according to the problem never arises. The function of management is not only to see the work is carried out according to the program, but to compare also and to find out the deviation. What is the work of management? To just only to check it out whether we are going according to the program or not. No, it's not like that. It is also to check it out whether there is any problem or not. If at all any problem arises, find the solution of that one. So here we end up with the solution of the chapter number 3. Once again, I would like to make you revise objectives, that is target, strategy, that is efforts done to achieve the target. Then comes what? Policy. Decision plus strategy, that becomes what? Your policy. Method, but before explaining method, strategy means what? Helpful for competition. Policy means what? Different ways of achieving the objectives, but method shows what? The right way of achieving the objectives. Rules, you all know what is rules? Budget. Budget is tool for what? Tool of control for the accomplishment of objectives. And finally program, that is the sequence which you need to maintain to achieve the objectives. Alright students, all the best. Go through MCQ, go through VSQ, go through the entire exercise. If you have any doubt, please do call me. Monday there is a test. Tomorrow I will tell you the sequence, the marks or the paper style. Okay? Okay. All the best.